Okay, so now we've built a basic base. I'm now being told I need to work out how to make water from blood. I've got harvest plant fiber, research the blood kit, and craft a blood extractor. Now, I think I probably can research. Well, I've got to get the plant fiber first. It won't let me do it yet. So I've almost got enough plant fiber left over. I need to pop out here and find some more. Where's more plant fiber? There we go. So this is one of the reasons why you want to keep collecting stuff in this game as you are doing the early stages. Just keep picking up as much plant fiber, metal, and rock as well as you can in the early stages. So I've got to learn this exsanguination kit. There we go. And now what does it tell me? It says craft a blood extractor and craft a small blood sac. So this is a blood extractor. I'm going to craft a couple of blood sacs. And now it's saying I need to go to scavenger camps and get myself some blood. And do that before I run out of water. You see my water level is quite low there on the left. So there's a camp over there, but this one is closer. I'm just going to run down here and let's see, is this one respawned? Unfortunately not. Although I've got the items have respawned, but not the scavenger. So I need to pop over here. And then we'll pick up this bit of scrap, and I'll pick up this plant fiber. And I'll get this copper as well, because I'll also need that when I can build a refinery. Lots of lovely copper to pick up. Now he's shooting at me, which isn't very nice. Just sneak round behind him. Oh dear, I'm in trouble there. This is why I crafted all those heal kits. Where's he gone? Oh, there he is. Right, now I need to use the blood extractor. It'll light up this little green symbol. You sometimes have to fiddle a bit to get it to work. You can also loot the corpses at the same time. Right, it's now saying research a purifier and build one. So, just pick up the fuel cell on the way. And I think I'll probably need more scrap metal to do this as well, because the purifier takes quite a lot of scrap metal. Fortunately, where I've built here, very close to the beginning, these things respawn quickly. Oh. Okay, that's handy. I've got another scavenger that I can drain the blood of. So I'm going to need this. Pick up some more scrap. And more scrap metal there. And now I'll go back to the base. My little base such as it is. And now I should be able to research a blood purifier. Okay. Now I would normally build 2 of these because they are quite small. They have a capacity of 6 litres each, and I've already picked up probably 2. You pick up a litre or more from everybody that you kill. That's so you quickly can fill up a couple of these. And you just go up to it and use to deposit the blood you've got on your backpack.